welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a ride along with my dad, and it should be pretty awesome because he hasn't been in this car just with him. It's usually just been like with the whole family, and you guys can't see right now, but the whole back is stripped out. Of course we still have the back seats. I'm not really going to go crazy and take those out because like I see myself putting them back in like a day after I do it. So I leave them in, whatever. So the car has relatively decent weight reduction, so I'm thinking probably shaved almost 100 pounds. Sounds crazy, but that give or take 100 pounds or so, so it makes a difference too. So yeah, so the car's a lot faster now, and I'll take my dad for a spin, and you guys will see that very shortly. So yeah. Oh, you know what? I forgot the stupid screw.
What screw is that?
For the GoPro.
Oh,
it's gonna
in the middle.
fly out. It will.
Yeah, that won't last.
Hopefully it wasn't cold. No, it's fine.
The taping it.
Good over here. Wet road though.
This one right here.
Yeah, it's very loud with all that stuff going in the back.
Totally.
But the kind of cool thing about this thing too is you hear those like crackles back there.
Yep.
That's unrelated to the tune. That's not the tune. That's just what the car sounds like with the exhaust the way it is.
Just plain up.
Yep. But
interesting.
It's kind of like the F-Type. If you could tap it at the right spot, it'll
pop like that
a little bit, and it's pretty loud on the outside too. It sounds very race car-y.
Yes, it does.
It's like Volkswagen with their cheap plastics.
Yes.
This thing right here rattles.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I don't like it.
It's not tight.
This thing is not getting the temperature.
It's a lot of popping.
I know. The pops don't sound good with that stuff in the
Very,
back.
A lot more depth to them.
Yeah, this thing gets up to speed really quickly. I haven't had really many quick 0 to 60s because like it doesn't hook up at all.
How do you mean?
This car at 55, up to 55 miles an hour,
yes,
usually around, will spin its tires.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Because it has so much power.
Wow, that went up quickly.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't hear it.
Yeah, I didn't really do it, but sometimes it sounds like another shift.
Oh, okay.
Like it sounds like a DSG pop, and the manual cars, every Golf GTI has that, and I think the R's have it as well.
Okay.
And when you go to like accelerate, it'll do like this like plop sound, and it'll sound like a pop, but it'll sound like a premature like shift.
Okay.
And it's a cool sound.
It's
like
a torque limiter, and that's great.
Yeah.
That sound.
And sometimes I happened when I was, I think, second gear, and I just wasn't getting any power at all.
Yeah.
And it did the pop 3 times, and then obviously I had the upshift on top of that, so it was 4 dramatically loud pops.
Wow.